As the High Court, they took this order came out, and the Delhi police has
No,
taken
this
him.
is not in pursuant to the High Court order. I have the High Court copy with me, which I will share. It is not in pursuant with the High Court order. High Court order only says that his health has to be monitored on a regular interval. It never says that he has to be hospitalized.
So, ma'am,
And yesterday I was there. We were there till 10 p.m. and all his vitals were okay. This was unnecessary. It was not needed.
so don't you think this is like a kidnapping? Because he was moving, he could speak for himself. Still, they pushed him out because we all have seen the video. I just want to ask, will you not like launch a FIR or go against this?
No, we are going to check whether truly his vitals are as bad as they are making it out to be. And we are going to get a third party lab to test it again. But yes, they brought him without his consent or without informing the family or anybody. So to that extent, it is undemocratic.
Will you not like complain or do any case against them?
We are waiting for the final medical reports. If they are actually genuinely correct,
Even if the medical reports are genuinely correct, taking a human being without his permission, pushing him away from the protest, don't you think that is like really wrong?
There are many things wrong in this country. Okay, we have to choose our battles wisely. I think we can let go of these little personal inconveniences when we are talking about the larger issue of the education of the
And
country.
we have lawyers and doctors together, so we'll take whatever is required. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. As you can see, I've just spoken to Sonam Wangchuk's wife. She has said that how Sonam Wangchuk was being taken is not right, and she's saying that she has the High Court order with her in her bag, in which she's saying that there was no such order of admitting him in the hospital or doing anything, which they have done it against his will, and there was nothing like that. So you can see how Delhi police is reacting, and also you can see behind now that this Sonam Wangchuk topic has become so big. The medias which were not even covering him, no one was least bothered about the CJP protest, have just come up. As you all know that when things go viral, Godi media is always everywhere. As you can see behind me also, Godi media is trying to take bites and all. So you should know that, however this fight is going, even when you talk to these people, you are actually leading